What's the meaning of circumstantial? Circumstantial. Circumstantial.
Circumstantial. Circumstantial. Circumstantial refers to evidence or information that is based on circumstances surrounding an event, rather than on direct observation or first-hand knowledge. For example, circumstantial evidence might include a suspect being seen near the scene of a crime at the time it occurred, or a witness testifying to overhearing a conversation that implicates someone in wrongdoing. While circumstantial evidence can be persuasive, it is not always completely reliable or conclusive. It relies on inference and interpretation, and can be subject to manipulation or misunderstanding. As such, it must be weighed carefully and judiciously in any legal or investigative context.